Ang kahalagahan po dito ng ating project, no, especially the rehabilitation of this particular section, is that it will improve, no, the road connectivity. It will promote faster travel, no, that will cater to all the commuters from Barangay Pangdan, Cantauan, all the way down to Uniagan. So the visit of President, no, has a major impact on the remaining scope of work siguro sa project, and also to give moral, no. His Excellency Mr. President, salamat po sa pagbisita talaga dito sa aming project Metro Cebu Expressway. It will really strengthen, no, our effort, no. Talagang malaking boost sa aming moral, sa aming strength to really improve further our services with regard to promoting the faster completion of this project. And probably that is just a start, no, because marami po pang aming mga project na dapat naming i-implement for the benefit of the Cebu province and the rest of the region.